chill these eyebrows. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a highly why do I have this in my hand? Anyways, let's start over. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know that a lot of people have been asking me about my eyebrow tutorial and I haven't done it, but today, sis, we're gonna get into these brows, okay? Because I know they're looking a little it needs to be done, but we gonna talk about that. Today we're gonna talk about getting them snatched, okay? So today we're gonna be some baddies on a budget, yes, hunty, and we're gonna be using this product right here. This is the e.l.f. eyeliner cream. I honestly always use liners, not like liquid liners, but like of course like the cream liner to do my brows. I used to use this one right here. This is like an off-brand by Amazon. As you guys can see, I used to put my NYX eyebrow gel on there. I don't know, the NYX eyebrow gel, it was trash. It dried entirely too fast. It was like making my brows just look, I don't know, I can't even explain it. Ever since I've been using this, and I've been using this for like, I don't know, like some months now, and it never did me wrong, sis, okay? I bought this from the Dollar Tree. It was only $1, yes, one numero uno. $1, single, like a Pringle. Single, like a Pringle. No, anyways. Oh yes, $1 from Dollar Tree, and sis, it's, oh my god. But enough talking, we're finna get into these brows, sis. So I'm about to get real up close and personal, yes, and we're gonna get into these brows. So Lego. Okay, so first things first, you want to get you a spoolie, and you're going to brush your brows upward, just like that. And yeah, I'm pretty aware of how close my edges are. Honestly, they stop like right here, but like my baby hairs, like, I'm like, anyways, it's not the point of this video. So I'm just going to take my pencil and just not grab any product. Well, I'm grabbing product clearly, but I'm just going to be like dabbing it in here like that, and then tracing my brow. So like outlining it like that, and I'm going to do the same thing for the top. And I'm just brushing it upwards so I don't have to have any harsh lines. I'm filling it in, and then I'm going to take my spoolie and just brush it upward, just to blend it in all together. And it doesn't have to look perfect. Honestly, it doesn't have to look perfect at all. This is just so that way it's filled in completely, so when you get ready to conceal it, honey, it's gonna look sharp. So honestly, I love this eyeliner simply because it's so creamy, and as you've seen, it's not like dry at all. Like, I can leave this open. I will not suggest to leave this open, but I'm just saying, I left it open one time and it was still creamy just like this. And as you've seen, like how you can tell like where I be placing it, I legit just like press it, and so much product gets on this brush, and it's super creamy. And it dries, so it doesn't dry fast like the NYX. I'm so close to it. It doesn't dry like the NYX does, so that's a plus. But it definitely, when it do dry, oh honey, it's matte, and she is set. You don't need to set these brows, honey. I guess because when eyeliners, you know, when you use eyeliners and stuff, honestly, they like gel eyeliners, they matte. They're like made to, you know, be matte or whatever. So I mean, why not be versatile with your products? I see people use lipstick for eyeliners all the time, so why not use, you know, get multiple uses out of your products, you know what I mean? Like, so if you trying to judge me because I use eyeliner, I don't care, sis, because I'm still gonna use it. Just like people get mad. Now look how far up I did. See, look, it doesn't, you could just wipe it clean off. She's fine. Like, yeah, I see people judge me all the time because I still use hair glue on my lashes. I sure do. And guess what? I get all my uses out of those lashes. My lashes are still long. And no, I don't have on any mascara. I rip them things off. The lashes, like when I'm done using them, I'm like, ooh, time to take them off. So now that I got them like exactly like where I want them, I'm going to conceal them. Now, honestly, I feel like if you're doing a look, then obviously the lid concealer is going to be a different color than your forehead concealer, the top concealer. So I'm going to be using Beautiful Bronze for both the top and the top and the bottom. And then later when I get ready to do my look, then I'm going to change it to the natural. But just for the sake of the video, I'm going to be doing Beautiful Bronze. So like I said, I'm just going to basically draw a line like that. And this is just so that way I can know like how far I need to go up. So once I got this line here, I began to go upward. It doesn't really matter how it's looking now. It's a process. And depending on how sturdy your hands are, you might want to take your time. But me, I think I do my brows pretty much every day because I'm doing a look. So I know exactly where she gonna lay. So I always do the bottom part first because you want to know how much your brows are going to be. Like if it's going to be too thick, if it's going that I have it there, I'm going to take this is another crown brush. This is, this is a C526 brush. Why am I like stuck? It's a C526 brush and it's like a really firm blending brush, and I use it specifically for my concealer. And then I'm going to like blend it as if I'm doing eyeshadow, and then just so I can get it where I need, like it looks seamless and it blends in with my skin. And once I get to right here, I just like a flick. It's almost like a flick, and I do that so I don't have to look like. Okay, so it may be a little noise in the background, but that's because my family is here. But anyways, yeah, I don't know why my camera keeps playing me like this, but honey, it keeps cutting off. But I haven't done anything just as of yet. Honestly, for the top, only thing I do is I take the concealer and I just go across, and I'm like dragging it upward like this. And then for the sides, I just blend it out really, really softly, because it just matches my skin tone so perfectly, so I don't really have to do much blending. So that's the key. If you find the concealer that matches your skin tone the best, you will not have to do as much blending as you think you have to do. Don't think that you don't have to blend. That's not what I'm saying. I'm just saying like you don't have to do as much work when it comes to blending it out. So just be mindful of that. But when it comes to your edges, you want to make sure that you basically like blend it. Like for this part, I'm blending it side to side, so that way the concealer can look seamless on the edges as well as the top, so it can give it that faded look without, you know, taking away so much product. So with the top, once again, I just blend it going upward just like that and going across just a little, and then with the top I drag it down and then doing like eyeshadow motions. And then she's done. Okay guys, here's a final look, and she is sleek and thick in my Bretman Rock voice. So if you guys learn from this tutorial, please comment below. If you guys want to see more tutorials like this, then comment down below. Just comment anything that you guys want to see in the near future. Be sure to follow me on Instagram at MakeupSy2_, so you'll be able to see my daily posts and when I upload, and then just be involved, you know. Join the gang, join the squad. What are you doing? Feel free to hit that subscribe button before you guys leave. Don't forget to like and comment on this video, and I hope to see you guys on the next video. Thanks again for watching. Bye.